I cook almost daily, and because of that, I didn't realize how much food we eat came from a package. Looking back, some of the meals I cooked were an assembly of processed foods. And even with basic ingredients, many of them are neatly packaged into a bag. When we see food from a package, we tend to think of it as a cheap product. This mentality makes it so easy to waste food. While cleaning the fridge a few weeks ago, I found bags of spoiled herbs and greens that I didn't use. It wasn't the first time this happened, but it bothered me this time around. I knew this pattern had to change. Perhaps if I learned how foods are grown, I would appreciate it more. I also want my kids to know where real food comes from. So a couple of weeks ago, we visited a local farm and had a lot of fun strawberry picking. The Napa cabbage we got from the farm turned into my first homemade kimchi. I got so used to buying kimchi, and I never attempted to make it at home. While visiting the farm, they stopped by the cabbage field on the way to the strawberry field, and we got free Napa cabbages out of nowhere. If this isn't the sign to make kimchi, I don't know what it is. It turned out pretty good, and perhaps one day I'll be comfortable enough to share my recipe. But today, I'm leaving you with this quick and easy mixed kimchi noodles recipe.
You're supposed to mix it together.
No.